to my YouTube channel. In this video I want to show you how to change the filament and creality in the 3v3 SE. So first of all, you need go to properties and then retract, select it, and then printer starts to humming. After a while the nozzle temperature hits the 214 degrees Celsius. So filament, older filament getting hot and extruding from nozzle. So then you can pull out filament quickly and select confirm, release old filament spool from the 3D printer and hanging on the new one. And go to menu, properties menu, click extrude. So then 3D printer goes humming. You should wait until nozzle temperature goes to 240 degrees Celsius. Before nozzle getting hot, if you watch on the screen, it says trim the filaments at 45-degree bevel. So you should cut it same as in video. After that, you should select confirm and the nozzle starts to extruding filament for like 10 centimeter. And if you see, we have two colors filament. The old one is black and the new one is white. I hope you enjoy this video and help you